Hello friends, welcome to the Nifty and BankNifty daily post-market technical analysis show. So in this analysis show, we are going to analyze Nifty and BankNifty based on price action and several other technical indicators, and we will come to an estimate about the technical outlook of the next day of trading session. So let us start with BankNifty, and the as you can see, the candle here for Bank Nifty is showing a very clear price rejection from the 17,220 level of resistance. I had mentioned earlier in the previous analysis that so here I have mentioned that 17,220 is the first resistance, and for Bank Nifty 40,200 is the first resistance. So that had worked out, that had actually stopped the price from rallying today. So for Bank Nifty also, if you observe, it had gone up after the opening and then it faced resistance from this level of 40,200. 40,200, and then after that it fell sharply below. It actually fell below the 200 DM. For Nifty also, after the opening, it rallied up quickly, but took resistance near the 17,200 and 220 region. And after that, it fell quickly and closed below the opening. But it was not actually able to close much below this green candle. Had it closed somewhere here, something like below 17,050 level, it would have been a very good bearish or reversal indicator. But the close is slightly into the body of this green candle. So what we have to assume is that the trend is down, but it is not strong yet. So if tomorrow's session, that is Friday, for Nifty closes, let us say below this level, below 17,000 mark, if it closes below this, or ideally it should break below the support line, then it would be very strong indicator of downward trend, and you can actually take short positions in Nifty in that case. But other than that, if the tomorrow's session also plays up and down, or if it actually rises up, then we have to consider that this might be still in a range of this 17,220 to 16,950. So within, unless this range is broken either above or below, we cannot confirm that either a bullish trend or a bearish trend is happening until the Nifty is boxed in this range. It is still a consolidation that is happening. So you should think twice before taking oversized long or short positions overnight, because as long as it's in consolidation range, the next day can open either lower or higher. And let us look into Bank Nifty also. So just like Nifty, Bank Nifty is also right now in a consolidation range of 39,500 to 40,200. So unless this consolidation range breaks either the top or the bottom, we cannot confidently say that Bank Nifty is either bearish or bullish. So overall, it is in a bearish trend. But we are talking about the short-term aspect, let us say the next week, like that. But for that, right now, it is not clear. It can continue in this consolidation range for a few days, or it can break up or break down. Let us see what happens. But as of now, uh, the outlook is that Bank Nifty is in a consolidation range. And just like I said for Nifty, don't go with oversized overnight positions, because the next day can open drastically differently from this from the current close. And let us also take just one overall look at the weekly trend. So looking at the weekly trend, as you can see, the weekly trend for Bank Nifty has been consistently low, but there has been some strong support happening at the levels of 39,500. So unless this 39,500 level is broken by a weekly candle, we cannot have the continuation of the downtrend. So if at all tomorrow, that is Friday, 24th of March, breaks below this 39,400 level, then we'll have a very good bearish indicator in terms of the weekly time level. So that will show that Bank Nifty is going further down. You can definitely take good short positions. But as long as the close is above this, see, then what happens is that this weekly candle will look like a doji or a spinning top, which shows indecision. So there can be one more week of consolidation, and after which it can break down or something like that will happen. So it is better not to take oversized positions. Similarly, for the Nifty also, if you look at the weekly time scale, as of now, the candle is looking like a doji, which is coming after a strong downtrend. This is the weekly time level I'm saying. And the support wicks for these two support wicks cannot be ignored. So unless we have a close below 16,950, which will make the weekly candle red, then it will be definitely a good bearish indicator and you can continue selling in Nifty. But unless that happens, let us say tomorrow's candle closes slightly low, this will become a spinning top. So there can be some more consolidation happening next week, after which it may fall or something like that. In that case, it's better not to go with overnight positions over the weekend. I'm saying oversized overnight positions. And if at all tomorrow closes higher, let us say with a green candle, then how will this start looking like? Suppose if it closes somewhere above 17,100, this will become a small green body with a long support wick. Or if it closes above 17,200, then it becomes a piercing candle, which is a reversal indicator. So tomorrow session is going to be crucial. So based on that, you have to judge about oversized positions. And looking at the intraday trading, same thing it applies. If the session opens higher, we have a clear case of resistance at 17,200 for Nifty. So this is the 15-minute time scale. So you can see here there has been strong rejections from happening at 17,200 level. So and also there is some support playing out. Let us say around 17,040, 50 levels. So if price opens below this level, 17,040 level, then you have to see whether it will try to go above or not. If it is not going above and it's falling, then you can take short positions, book profit maybe at 17,950. And if it falls below 17,950, you can again take short positions. But because what can happen is the price can come here, then it can go and maybe close like this. Otherwise, if it breaks above 17,040, then you have to see how far it will go. This definitely will be a place where it may not be able to break right away tomorrow. Maybe at this point you can short for some small profit towards the end of the day, or you have to take profit if you have long positions here. Whereas for Bank Nifty, if you look at the intraday level of 15-minute level, so here also it's very, very clear. There has been strong rejection and sell-off towards the end of the day from this level. So if this trend continues, let us say Bank Nifty opens anywhere but tries to go up, and if it keeps on selling, then you can take further short positions and maybe take some profit at 39,400 and see whether it will break below or not. If it continues falling, then you can initiate more short positions. Otherwise, what happens is at this point it may slightly fall below, then again go up and sustain, and then it can again rally up to close somewhere higher. So at these support levels, you have to be a little careful to see what the price action is telling. So that is the analysis for tomorrow and for the for the probable outlook about how the week may close. So based on the way tomorrow session closes and how the weekly candle looks like, we'll get much better idea about the next week's outlook and how to play the index on Monday. So let us meet again with the analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty after the market tomorrow. Until then, I wish everyone a good trading session tomorrow. Keep your capital safe, manage the risk well. I hope everyone will get good profits. See you. Thank you.